So much, but so little time. God, there's so many cigars. We've only been in so few of the coolers. All right, guys, we're here now, and this is my cigar factory today. And here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna play Privada Cigar Factory Shopping Spree Mayhem. That's what we're doing. So, we're gonna do 25 cigars of your choosing, any 25 cigars that you want. You have 10 minutes to find them, and whatever you have after those 10 minutes, you get to take on out of here, take back home, and smoke them up at your choosing. Let's go! There's no rules here, there's no rules. There's no rules in my cigar factory. Ryan, what's Ryan going for? Oh, what's in here? Let's just open it up. Oh, we've got Paul Stulak's right here. Paul Stulak Classic Blend. Sure. Who's keeping time, by the way, because I'm not. Oh, these are buried treasure right here from Chico's. Okay, let's go see what Cliff's doing. What's Cliff's doing? Come on. You're going all in on the cigar ones. I love it. Oh, the Minnesota Fats Barrel Aged. Is that what your soul desires?
Yep.
Now, Cliff, on the way over here, you told me you like Nicaraguan stuff.
Yep.
You like Maduros.
Yeah.
I know what you need, but I don't know where it is. We're gonna go find it together. Have you had the Pissed Off Christoph?
Take 2 of them.
You've had, oh yeah, these guys. You've had that one before?
Yes, I have.
Oh, that's a solid guy right there. Ryan, what are we looking for? What do you need? Tell me what you need, we're gonna find it. Give me some words, some directions, we're gonna go. Rojas. I don't know where anything is, so this makes it more exciting. No, the Rojas are on the bottom. Okay, hold on. Wendy and I, we're here for you. Wendy's part of this chocolate factory tour also. The OG Peruvian Golds. Those are one of the best cigars of all time. Oh, we got the orange French fries. You guys?
I'll take a couple of those.
Okay, because Ryan hasn't had these before.
I don't think I have either.
Good Life. Here's 2 for you.
All right. What's a wavy wafer?
What's the wavy wafer? If you've never had cigars before, son, that's, if you haven't had the wavy wafer, you have not experienced what cigars have to offer. And I need to go see somebody after this. Those are fantastic little guys right there, full of flavor. Have you had that Peruvian Gold before? You have, right?
Which one?
That with the Rojas Peruvian Gold?
I just got into Rojas.
Oh, dude, this is an exclusive for Privada, and it's Peruvian tobacco. That's why it's Peruvian Gold. And I gotta tell you, you're really gonna like that one. What else we got? Got some Good Life in here, classics. Those orange French fries. You've never had those before?
No.
Those are fantastic. Oh, El Diablo del Desierto and Coco de Padre, one of the best LCA pluses that we've ever done. I love that thing. And then,
Of course, the Minnesota Fats.
those turned out beautifully. He's never had French collection, so I'm so glad we got a couple of these in here for him. And then you scored some of those unreleased Whiskey D's. You're gonna love that. That is a solid cigar, and you can enjoy it even more knowing that nobody else has even had it yet. Let's go look at Clifford. Let's see what Clifford did. Clifford, I think there's more than 25 cigars right here, but I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. You know what I mean? It's not my job to say anything.
A little bit of everything.
All right, so what have you had here before? What haven't you had here before?
I've had the cigars and I've had the bourbons.
Both.
I think I've had some of the farm rolled.
Mad Monkey, classic. These guys, incredible. More French collection. Oh, these guys are made by, what's that brand called? Puente, it's the Madonna, that's right. Cuban Link, and I didn't even know we still had any of these guys left over. The witches from the Halloween box. We've got more Cuban Link.
The paperwork for these.
Yeah, I'm sure Eddie can grab the paperwork for the Privada experiences. Those are special cigars right there. We did a good haul right here. All right,
cool.
Good work, team. Good work.
Now I need a shower.
Yeah, me too. I got too excited there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go take a nice cookie and juice box break, get a nice nap, and come back and do this again.
Thank you,
Oh, we
Clark.
come back and do it again?
Yeah, we're just gonna do it nonstop all day.
Taxes?
It's cigars!